So right here we're back. We need to work on the nominations. Okay, so a user, look at users, is an entity that's a table, will nominate, that is perform an action. You understand? One nomination per category. Nomination must happen during nomination period. So we have one nomination per category. So now there are several things we need to take care of in this stage. For instance, what if a user a user nominates Trump, for instance, and then another user comes to nominate Donald Trump again? We want to have only one record of Trump nominated, and we want somewhere to indicate that he has been nominated twice. You get what I'm saying? So since both users are nominating only one candidate, we should just have one record of that candidate. So the first person nominates Trump by writing out that, hey, I suggest that Trump should be on this list, fills the details of Trump and submits it. The second user, if they try to fill the details of Trump too, our app should automatically go and pre-fill the form, go to the database, fetch the details and fill the form for them. So all they have to do now is we need a second table where we can track the nomination. So for this nomination to work, in essence, we need two tables. Okay, so let's get back and get it done. So back to our command prompt, I'm gonna call that table nominees. So nominees, nomination, I'm going to call it nominations table. So this table will bear the details of the persons that are being nominated. So we'll sort it out first before we move to the next. Alright, so the person that's being nominated, we will need the person's name table. What if we have the person's, I think it's string. Do we have full name? It's a name of this person. Then we can have the business they operate in, business name, the person's business name, and like I said, you can have your own different fields here. I'm just building. I'm thinking of nominating people that do businesses. That's why I'm using business name. We need reason for nomination. Reason for nomination. And what else do we need? Yeah, we need to know the first user that nominated this guy. Might be tricky, but somehow we may need to keep track. We can say integer user ID. So this goes for the first person that did this nomination. And what else do we need here? Alright, so we're gonna have to add one more bio, just the bio of the person before the business name. Okay, business name, whatever. But we don't want this field to be compulsory, all these fields. So we're gonna do a nullable. This is how you tell Laravel migrations that a field should be nullable, can be null. So we add nullable in all this. So which means somebody can just come in and fill the name of the person they want and leave it empty. Okay, we need gender. We need gender of the person. Okay, and this will be a drop down. We'll create it. Think something else we need. I think that's it basically. Alright guys, what I don't know is maybe LinkedIn profile. We can do that too. LinkedIn URL. That's the business profile of the person that they are nominating. We can make it nullable just in case we need it. Alright, so this is it, but although this is not all, what I'll do is in the next video, remember that in our code here, each nomination has to be inside a category. You understand? There should be a category for each nomination. So we will have to take note of that too. So this has to go out here. We're gonna duplicate. I just duplicated this line, and I'm going to call it category ID. Category ID. So we are yet to create the category table, but each nomination must belong to a category. All right. See you in the next video.